and welcome all to Jodah Interior Design. This is a place where we explore creative ways to make your home look beautifully awesome and inviting. Today, we are diving into home decorations and interior, setting up art pieces to create a harmonious and stylish environment. I am super excited to share some fantastic tips and ideas with you. Now let's get started. We'll discuss how to transform your space into a reflection of your personality, all while being practical and stylish. Let's start with the basics. Understanding your style. Take a moment to think about what you love. Do you prefer the clean lines of modern design, the warmth of rustic elements, or perhaps the eclectic mix of bohemian styles? Identifying your style will guide your choices. You might even find inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or even your favorite travel destinations. Remember, your home should tell your story. Now, let's talk about color that sets the mood for your space. A great tip is to use a color wheel to create a harmonious palette. Choose a dominant color, then add a couple of complementary shades for calm and serenity, as well as energy and excitement. Don't forget the power of neutrals to balance out your palette. Next up, furniture selection. Now, the right furniture can make or break a room. When choosing pieces, consider scale and functionality. Make sure your furniture is proportional to the space, in that a large sectional can overwhelm a small room, while tiny furniture can make a large space feel empty. How do you use your space matters here. If you're someone who entertains often, then opt for a larger dining table or comfortable seating. And remember, mixing styles can create visual interest. Don't be afraid to pair a modern sofa with a vintage coffee table. Let's dive into the importance of layout. A well-thought-out layout enhances flow and functionality. Start with a focal point, and this could be a fireplace, a piece of art, or a stunning view. Arrange your furniture to highlight this feature. You can as well create conversation areas, ensuring seating is arranged to encourage conversation. A quick tip here, you can use area rugs to define spaces, especially in open floor plans. Hope that makes sense. Now, let's talk about accessories. This is my favorite part. Accessories are where you can let your personality shine. When it comes to art, choose pieces that resonate with you. Whether it's a striking painting or family photos, adds character. Thinking about textiles, Throw pillows, blankets, and curtains can dramatically change a room's vibe. Layering different textures can add depth. Additionally, of plants. Bringing in greenery not only beautifies your space but also improves air quality. Choose low maintenance option if you're new to plants. And don't underestimate the power of lighting. Oh my God, different types of lighting can completely alter the atmosphere. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination. Task lighting is focused and perfect for reading or working. Accent lighting highlights specific features like artwork or architectural elements. Finally, let's talk about personal touches. Your home should be uniquely yours. Create a gallery wall featuring your favorite memories or artwork. Travel souvenirs or heirlooms can serve as a conversation starters. Incorporate hobbies into your decor, whether it's books, music, or photography. Showcase what you love. As we wrap up, remember that home decor and interior design are journeys, not destinations. Don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your style over time. Thank you so much for joining me today on Home Decor and Design Dreams. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that reflects who you are. Please don't leave without liking this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts and views on the comment section, and I'll try my best to respond back. Click on the video that's showing on your screen for more inspirational tips and ideas for home decor. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.